Hey guys, welcome back to DevPremier. In this video, we will be cover JavaScript Higher Order Functions. These are the functions that we are gonna cover: map, reduce, and filter. This is the basic definition of the map method. The map method calls the provided function once for each element in an array, and returns a new array with the result of calling the function for every array element. So let's have an example. Here we have a array numbers.map. Here we will call a function and it will return element into 2. Save. So here we have each element multiplied by 2 in the result. We can also use ES6 standard here, or you can say ECMAScript 2015. So this is the way to use ES6 using arrow function. You have to write here element and then function definition, element into 2. See this, we have the same result using ES6, and this is very short method than this. You can also make reusable function and pass this in the map method. Let's try with that. Function square and then pass here element, and this will return element into element, and then here we'll pass the square function and then console log x. So this is how it works. This method is very important if you are learning Node or React or any JS framework. You are going to use map method very widely when you want to print any list, or you want to loop any function over a list. Then this function will be very useful in that case. The very useful definition of map method is to print the list of array items. Let me show you with an example here. Here we have a list of items. We have 4 items in the array. Make a constant person this dot map, and here and then item dot age, console log person. So this way we can use the map method to print the list. This is the result here, this side. You can see that John 30, Brad 40, Billy 21, Mac 56. So this is the very important application of map method. You can implement any functionality here, any condition or anything you want to implement on your list. The next method is the reduce method. This is the basic definition of the reduce method. The reduce method reduces the array to a single value. The reduce method executes a provided function for each value of the array from left to right. So this is the basic definition, and let's have an example here. Let's create an array of numbers. So here we have 4 elements in the array. The first element is 170 and others are 30, 10 and 20. So this is very simple. So what we are doing here is we are getting the first element and all other elements will loop over the first element. So this function will be like this. First it will take 170 and then it will add 30 in the 170, and then it will add 10 in the 170, and then it will add 20 in the 170. So First result is 170 plus 30 is 200, then 200 plus 10, 210, and then 210 plus 20 is 230. So we will get 230 as a result here. Let's print it. First item is not defined. So this is the syntax. If you want to pass two, if you want to get two items, then you have to pass in the curly braces. You can also use simple method. This is the ES6 standard. If you want to use the old way, you can also use. Just remove the arrow and place curly braces here. That's it. We have to return it. So this is the old way to use any function, and this is the ES6 way. So this is the reduce method. The next method we are going to cover is filter method. This is the basic definition of the filter method. The filter method creates a new array with all the elements that pass the test implemented by the provided function. So here we have an array ages. Let's make a variable ages dot filter. So here we want to get all the elements that are bigger than 10. So this will give us a new array. Here you can see that we have new array 30, 34 and 50. So this way you can implement any condition for each element and you will get the new array. This doesn't changes the original array. Let me show you. The original array remains the same. It doesn't affect the original array. This is how you can use filter method. I'm giving very basic definitions of the functions because I just want to explain the main functionality of these methods, these higher order methods, map, reduce and filter. This is it for today. I hope you liked the video. Please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for all upcoming videos on JavaScript, and I'm also planning to video on PHP, Laravel and Node and React. So please subscribe to this channel and share. Thanks for watching.